So this is Ricky. What can you tell us about Ricky? Stay there, darling.
Ricky's fresh off the streets. He was clearly a chain dog, which is why we have him on the chain now, because he gets overly excited. He's very friendly, playful, smart. He likes cats, and he's been with us only for 4 days. And his name is 10 minutes old.
He's got a little tiny tail.
Yeah, he's very good looking.
Little tiny tail.
And he has had a really bad life. I'm sure he spent all his life at the end of a chain.
Yeah.
And he deserves a good home because he's a lovely dog.
He's a beautiful boy, aren't you?
Yeah.
What a beautiful boy.
And look at his sparkling eyes.
Very attentive.
Yeah.
What are we going to do now, Mum? He's a lovely boy. And we think he's 1.5 years old.
1.5 years old.
Oh, yes.
Did I say he's friendly with cats?
Yes.
Yeah, very friendly. And just loves everybody. Remember how he came out to greet us wagging his little tail?
Well done, Ricky. Medium-sized, lovely boy.
Ricky!
Ooh,
There you
it's
go.
me already.
Yeah, that was his name. She just got it yesterday.